I think there's a saying going on everywhere, right? People are worried about AI replacing people. I think AI will never replace a person because you still need empathy. You still need those soft skills, which is very hard to train. But I do think people who will really leverage and get to understand how to use AI, not just in your day-to-day activities, which, for example, could be using something like Update AI or tldv to send meeting summaries immediately after your meeting. That will also improve customer experience. But also, how do you put that back into the product? So if your product requires it to be populated with data from a third-party source, can you use Gen AI to pull that data from the web and populate your data? So you're shortening your time to launch and hopefully thereby shortening the time to value. So I think leaders will really have to educate themselves about what Gen AI means, get your hands a bit dirty, play around with things. So there is no escaping the fact that you will have to use AI. But again, like a big caveat, don't make that happen at the cost of not focusing on soft skills.